don't know what kind of bird that is. Kind of looks like a mockingbird, but it's not a mockingbird. But that bird's been trying to, go through the window. I don't know if he's sees the reflection and he's trying to fight with himself, or let me see what he does. I'm amazed he don't see me in here. Hey, look at that. And they're gonna end up breaking my window. I think he's fighting. He's seeing his reflection, and yeah. I think that's it because there's no insect there. Yeah, he's fighting himself. Let me get closer. See, I don't think he sees me. Does anyone know what kind of bird that is? Looks looks pretty. He has kind of like a reddish orange color eyes. If you break my window, you're gonna pay for it. I'm gonna sue you, bird. Wonder what kind of bird that is. I'm gonna have to check it out. Alright, I guess he's tired.